Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Ravishing Beauty Bar. So guys, today's look is a natural makeup look. I have explained this look in a very simple way, and this makeup is completely beginner friendly. All the products I have used are budget friendly, so let's start the video without any delay. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do it immediately, and don't forget to press the bell icon given below so that whenever any of my video is uploaded, you will get the notification first. I used Assure moisturizer cream. It contains vitamin C. After that, I used Neutrogena sunscreen because sunscreen is very important for makeup. Now I am using Color Sense primer because before the makeup, primer is very important. It works to blur the pores on our face and provide smooth texture to our skin. Now it's time to correct my face, so I have used Insight Orange color correction, and I will apply it on the area where I have problem dark pigmentation, and I will blend it with the help of my finger. For foundation, I have used BB Blimp's foundation. It is a budget friendly and good quality product, and its coverage is also very good. After that, to contour the face, I have picked a dark shade from the Supriya palette and will blend it properly. To highlight my face, I have used Insight palette and I am applying it on my high points, whatever area I want to highlight on my face, and I will blend it properly. For blusher, I have used lipstick whose color is very good and it is also easy to blend. To set my face, I am using Lakme Compact and I will first apply it on the area I had highlighted. After that, I used the Mua bronzer and I applied it to the areas I had contoured. Then I filled my eyebrows. For eyes makeup, I used Bella Keen eyeshadow palette, and from this I have taken a brown shade and now I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it properly. Now from the same palette, I will use a brown shimmer shade and apply it on the center of the eyelid. For the liner, I am using brown lip color and now I will blend this liner with some dark brown colored eyeshadow. Now I am using Eye Magic eyelashes and mascara. Guys, now I have used white color eye pencil, and to diffuse the white color, I have used skin color shadow. I'm using nude shade lip color and now I'm giving my lips a perfect shape with the lip liner. And now I am using Zudio lip gloss. Now guys, I have taken the palette of Mars and this palette is 3-in-1. I'm taking a highlighter from this palette. I like its highlighter very much. It is a very good option in an affordable budget. I'm highlighting my brow bones and inner corner. This is my final look.